how's it going, YouTube? This is Jeff Baylock here with J Baylock Tutorials, and today we're gonna make you funny, and we're starting right now. Are you ready? What's going on, YouTube? This your boy Jeff Baylock here with J Baylock Tutorials. I know, it's been a huge hot minute since I did a video. I apologize for that. So, no excuses. I'm back better than ever. And today, we're gonna talk about, you guessed it, how to deliver your jokes. Now, before we get started, I want y'all to make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And click that bell notification. It helps the YouTube algorithm a lot. And when it comes to algorithms, all you have to do is those free things. Trust me, it is free. It costs you nothing. Let's get started, shall we? How to deliver your jokes. For now, we learned about what a joke structure is, which is setup, attitude, and punchline. When it comes to the setup, you pretty much take your audience that way. You set them up, put them on a dark and crazy and scary adventure, and then you surprise them with the punchline. You throw them that way, and they get to the point where they're like, oh my God, that is funny. Oh my God, ha ha! And then magic happens. People are laughing, people are smiling, they want to hear more. How do you get them hooked? It's all about your delivery. What is delivery? Think of hip hop when a person is just spitting so dope. You be like, dang son, that's cold right there. Man, your flow is nice. That's what delivery is. It's how you say it. It's how you make your audience feel it. And the only way you can make your audience feel it is through attitude. Let me explain how that goes. Unfunny joke. I woke up in the morning, coffee spilled on my chest, and it burned, and I said, ow. That is not funny. So let's take that joke and put some into some, we want to sting it. So what you do is you say something like this. Man, you ever woke up in the morning and you smell the coffee, you go get the coffee, and I took a sip and it poured on my chest. All my pews burned off. Ha. Ha 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 ha. Leave a like if you thought that was funny. I'm pretty sure that was funny. I'm definitely going on stage with that. But that's what it is. It's all about how you say it. And sometimes you might not say that attitude or that correct punchline at that time. But if the joke works, find different methods on how to deliver your message. Don't give up on that joke. The only way you would give up on that joke is if somebody steals it. No, not at all. If you feel that joke and you love that joke, go with it until the wheels fall off and have many different attitudes and punchlines of that joke. Today's sponsor is TubeBuddy. If it wasn't for TubeBuddy that helped me out a lot, I'm telling you, when it comes to the business side of this craft, TubeBuddy got you. They teach you about algorithms. They teach you about how to rank your videos using hashtags, what people are saying about your video, demographics, and more. And also, it's free to use and it's free to sign up. Click the link below. Yes, it's an affiliate. I know some of y'all be like, is it an affiliate? Yes, it's an affiliate. So help me out. You know, it is what it is. It's free to sign up. Also, if you want to take your channel to the next level, you can sign up for their pro package. You're gonna love it. TubeBuddy helped me a lot. I'm talking about hashtag everything. Thank y'all so very much for watching. I'm Jeff Baylock with J Baylock Tutorials signing off. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell notification, please. It helps the YouTube algorithm. The algorithms, please. And if you want another video on how to get down on your comedy or any other tutorial, please put that in the comment section below. Let's talk. I love y'all. Y'all be easy. Y'all be well. And let's make them laugh. Good day.